So for us, we noticed the difference with Voyage Direct Primary Care was the care that we received from Dr. Sanders and from the providers at Voyage Direct Primary Care. You felt well taken care of. You felt like they cared about your health. They wanted to do what they could to make sure that your health, and to show that your health was important to them and that what mattered to you mattered to them.
I would just say, for me personally, I get really timid and I hate going to the doctor. If I'm sick, I try and fight through it. I'd rather not go. And he's honestly been the first doctor that I've ever felt really comfortable around and that I enjoy going to because we have a great relationship. Dr. Sanders, he kind of just has a way of kind of putting you at ease. I get terrified of needles and shots and just anything medical. I'd rather go to the dentist 100 times before I have to go to a doctor. But he's just really great. He's really calm, super funny. He explains everything to you really, really well instead of just naming off a ton of doctor jargon that I don't understand. And just kind of overall, he's really easy to be comfortable with and kind of open up to. And
when we discovered Voyage Direct Primary Care, it was definitely something that was new to us when we first met with the doctor and we were talking about how things worked, and he had to explain to us, oh, it's different. It's not like your typical insurance-driven doctor visit, but what we found was different was that he took a lot of time with us. So he wasn't encounter driven. He wasn't going to be paid each visit. So because of that, because we paid just a monthly subscription, that he was able to take as much time as he felt he needed in order to take care of us. So if there were some visits where it was just a 5-minute visit, we just had a quick question and we got that answered, said hi, and then we were on our way. There's other times where we thought it was going to be something quick, and he was actually able to take more time to really dig down into what was really going on. And because of that, we were able to get what was going on resolved a lot quicker overall, and with a lot more thoroughness, I guess you could say. Yeah. The affordability of Voyage Direct Primary Care has been really important at least for us, because we just graduated college. We don't have a lot of money. We consider ourselves pretty poor at the moment, and healthcare is important to us, and everyone tells us that you need to take care of your health, you need to see your doctor, but what they don't tell you is how expensive it is and how confusing it is. You don't honestly know how much you're going to be paying when you go, and with Voyage Direct Primary Care, it was really affordable. It was upfront. It was very transparent. We knew how much we were paying each month. If there was any procedures that we needed to pay for, we knew exactly how much it was. Dr. Sanders knew how much it was, and it helped us feel a lot more at ease, and we felt like our money was going to a good place. We had good value with what we were getting out of Voyage Direct Primary Care. And for me, when I talk to people about Voyage Direct Primary Care, I like to tell them it's like having an old school doc that you can go to, where he's got the black bag, he goes to visit you at your house, and it's like that. He knows you, he gets to know you and your family. And so if I tell them that if they want to feel like they have a doctor who actually knows who they are and will take care of them, that they should really look into Voyage Direct Primary Care. The chances of me going back to the normal insurance-driven doctor visits is slim to none if I have any control over it. So I have a hard time imagining myself having to book out several months in advance for an appointment and to get a 5 to 15-minute appointment. That it drives me crazy thinking about having to do that again, and I don't think I would ever do that if I could help it.
For me, a big point of going to the doctor is the finances. And so having to resort back to insurance, it kind of fills me with anxiety and like a bit of frustration, knowing that every time I go, even if it's, like a 5-minute thing that gets taken care of super quick, I'm still going to be charged quite a bit every single time I go. And so I think for me, that's also a big point. Yes, the personality and the care, and he does such a wonderful job, but a big market for me logically is just the affordability of it.